These pedals are tough and durable, but they've been tearing up my sneakers and they're gonna have to go. Let's take a look. The left pedal has a groove in it, so you know which side to install the pedal. The tools we will use are quite simple. An 8mm hex pedal wrench, as the wrench on top displays. A pedal wrench to remove the pedals, as the wrench on the bottom displays. Grease, and some elbow grease. When you put the pedals in, twist them with your fingers to get that bite, that grip, that you know the pedals are threaded correctly. Then use your wrench. Make sure you grease the holes in the cranks so that the pedals don't get stuck once they're installed. The pedals tighten from the back, so the 8mm wrench goes into the receiving point of the pedal, which is in the rear. So make sure that your wrench can fit through your crank. The fitted pedals look clean, they're installed well, and I look forward to my first trip.